You mentioned earlier that your girlfriend is pregnant
Yes.
by your saliva.
Yes,
No, for you. For you, you don't wanna get pregnant? She's thinking to have sex with a man because she want to get pregnant, but only one time. And that one time, she need to be pregnant, guys.
Kumusta?
Good evening, everyone. Welcome back at Tommy Omlechon Show. This is your Filipino opera Ange. For tonight with you, we're gonna do a lesbian interview. She's cool. He's cool. I don't know what should I call her. Look at the way she come here. Oh, she's cute. She look like a boy. Oh,
tomboy.
guwapo nito. Oh. Handsome, no? Can you introduce yourself?
My name is... Ano ba yung tunay na pangalan?
No, main name. Okay, it's okay.
Medj Gomez.
How old are you?
24.
Do you have kids?
No.
A girlfriend?
Meron.
So she said she has a girlfriend. How's your you mentioned earlier that your girlfriend is pregnant
Yes.
by your saliva?
Pwede.
Galing sa laway mo.
Oh.
How his girlfriend get pregnant. You don't feel jealous when you say pregnant girl?
Hindi, kasi mas tanggap ko kasi yung ganun. Mas gusto ko yung single mom. Kesa
No, for you, you don't wanna get pregnant?
Minsan inisip ko, parang gusto ko yung sarili ko. Kasi minsan, naranasan ko na kasi yung...
For your own, you want to get pregnant. That's what you were thinking, right?
Minsan, lalo na pagka napupunta tayo sa puntong nabubroken tayo, ganun.
She said, sometimes if she get broken-hearted, she's thinking to get pregnant for her own lang.
Lalo na pagka siyempre pagka nagka-jowa ka, tapos minahal mo yung bata.
She said,
tapos biglang hindi napapakita sa'yo. Siyempre,
yeah,
mas maganda na lang na...
So your girlfriend before...
Meron, ganun din.
Your ex-girlfriend?
Also.
Get pregnant and you're the one taking care of the kids?
Oo, wala rin sumuporta sa kanya noong time.
So no one support that your ex-girlfriend except you, right? And you get close to the kids,
yes.
right? Na you get like you feel in love you give love to the kid. And you treat her like your own, right?
Sobrang parang tunay na
And what happened? Why?
Yung
your ex-girlfriend.
Tumagal kami.
How long you been in relationship?
3 years.
So you guys been living together for 3 years?
Yes.
And
nung after ng siguro tumagal kami, parang hindi na namin naiintindihan yung
isa't isa.
Parang nagkasawaan kami.
They decide to break up because there's no what is it? There's no love na.
Oh, there's no love. And always fighting.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened to the kids? Do you still see her? Do you have contact with her?
Gusto ko siyang makita kasi yung pinag-usapan naman ng ex ko, papakita niya daw sa akin. Tapos biglang hindi naman pala. Meron siyang bago eh. Siyempre, re-respetuhin natin yun.
Okay. So she said that her ex-girlfriend has a new lesbian and she respect that. That's why, but it's hard for you, right?
Oo, siyempre.
Minahal
ko yung bata.
That's the kids know you?
Ay, hindi pa. Kasi baby lang.
Still baby.
Baby lang. Hindi na ako kilala niya sigurado. Okay lang.
But, yeah, that's
pero masakit. Okay lang, pero masakit.
And what about your girlfriend now? How long you guys been in relationship?
10 months.
She get pregnant by who? Foreigner? Chinese?
Chinese.
Does the Chinese guy support her?
No.
So you're the one supporting?
Nagtutulungan kami parang.
So what does she do? Is she working in a bar still?
Yes. Sometimes, pagka tinatawagan ako ng mga guest kong babae,
No.
table ako.
Oh, so sometimes you go to that lesbian place, your girlfriend, your regular clients called you to go there.
Tapos,
It's
tinatable
okay
ako.
to your girlfriend?
Oo, kasi siyempre minsan wala naman kami magagawa. Kailangan din namin.
How many months is
9
that?
months.
She's ready to this month, right?
This month.
So you save a lot of money for that na excited to meet your new baby?
Actually, nag-start pa lang akong mag-ipon. Kasi ang inuna namin inipon, yung mga gamit ng bata. Pero kumpleto na yung mga gamit. Yung
Because-
pera kasi parang kailangan lang sa...
Hospital.
Oo, pero
Hospital bill. But where is she going to have a birth? In a hospital or in the lying in?
Hindi, yun yung hindi namin sigurado kung saan siya dadali ng mama
Is
niya.
she having birth normal?
Yeah, normal naman daw.
Oh, okay, that's good. So maybe in a hospital, it's free. You never try, man?
No.
You don't wanna try ng lalaki?
No.
You don't wanna try it?
Ay, yung...
Why you don't wanna try it?
Hindi kasi parang...
Astig ka, tapos mag-ano ka
Parang
na.
kinakabahan ako pagka mga ganun-ganun.
She said she get nervous if she say,
Pero minsan naisip kong parang, di ba gusto ko magka-baby? Pero parang kung magkaka-baby man ako, isang beses lang mangyayari yun. Pero ayoko na mauulit. Mangyayari man yun. Gusto ko, hindi sa Pilipinas, foreigner na. Kasi isipin mo kung Pilipino. Minsan, iiwanan ka lang.
yeah, that's right.
Kung magpo-foreigner ako, okay lang. Kasi alam mo, pwede ako suportahan, magkakapera ako. Kasi hindi tayo
Practical na.
mabubuhay pag wala tayong pera. Yun talaga yung pinakakailangan sa lahat.
What about foreigner guys in walking street?
Mm.
They never pay your bar fine?
Meron.
So there's foreigner guy want to pay her bar fine.
Pero,
And
nagdi-drink lang kami.
drink only?
Pero minsan, may na-try ako na foreigner. Yung parang, konta ko lang siya na nag-meet kami, pero yung parang, inano niya ako ng babae, binigyan niya ako babae.
Oh, she said
Ganun lang.
she has foreigner guy who contact. She said that there's foreigner guy that she contact meet online and they're just drinking and this foreigner guy give you a girl, right? That's what you said. And
Siyempre, matutuwa ako nun.
she's happy with that. So when he give you a girl, did you guys go to hotel, right?
Of course.
With the foreigner?
Oo.
What the foreigner do?
Drinking and watching.
See, he's only watching?
Na-try ko yun isang beses lang.
So you tried it once that foreigner is watching you guys
Oo.
making love?
Kasi meron kasing foreigner na yung gusto niya yung fun. Mga ganun. Manonood lang.
The
okay.
foreigner didn't get
Na parang, ano siya. Yung tapos pagkatapos ng ganun, babae naman yun.
Do you wish that you have?
Hindi. Kasi masaya ako kung ano ako.
So she said no, she never wished that she get paid.
Di ko
Also
nga-
because she's happy being a lesbian,
Hindi ko nga pinangarap na yung paturok. Kasi masaya na ako ng ganito.
Yeah. How many times you done threesome? I mean, with the two girls, one lesbian. Yeah.
Never do that.
But you done it with the foreigner guy, right?
Pero ano yun?
But you just watched them do.
Hindi
You
ko
were
na-
there only.
Oo.
Why? If you don't love the person, you will not
Oo,
her?
kasi parang parang
said
ang awkward.
Yeah.
Oo.
So she said that if she don't love their person, she not going to sleep with it. Kahit gusto mo lang.
Hindi ko kaya. Parang
She
mas
said no.
gugustuhin ko yung may napipil talaga ako.
She-
Masarap kasi may
That's
feelings. Saka meron kang, tsaka
connection.
mahal mo. Oo.
Connection.
May connection kayo.
It's your
No?
Aray
No.
ko.
Bakit magbuwit? Wala naman tayong nag-uusap lang naman tayo.
No, it's your wet.
Oo. Pag nag-uwit naman talaga lahat ng
Kahit
babae.
walang
Oo, nag-uwit naman talaga yung babae. Lalo na, siyempre kami, hindi naman kami na, di ba? Talagang nag-uwit kami. Always wet ang mga lesbian.
Really?
Totoo. Kasi yung...
Do you touch
Natural, pag naliligo ko, inugasan
No, I mean, when you're just in a bed.
Hindi ko ginagawa.
You never play
Parang-
with it?
Hindi ko ginagawa yun.
She said,
Pero
no.
mas gusto ko kasi yung may partner ako.
Alright. And what else? If you are,
Ano?
if you by yourself in the morning,
Siyempre,
do you get up in the morning?
Oo.
Yeah, she
Pero
said yes.
kapag katabi ko yung...
What do you do to your girl? Because it's your girlfriend pregnant, right?
Yes. Ko pa rin siya.
So, she said that sometimes she's still to her girlfriend.
Natural yun.
What do you do? Kasi she got big stomach na.
Kahit malaki yung ano niya, inaano ko pa rin siya. Pero
Like,
hindi ko na siya not use the finger.
So you're not using the finger na, just your tongue. She said, yeah.
Nilalambing ko na.
Can you tell me, if you licking the pregnant girl, what it feels like?
Masarap kasi basa eh. Totoo naman.
She said-
Buntis ka, di ba?
She said it feels good because it's wet. Why you like wet?
Ewan ko, kasi doon ko napipil yung kapag ka na-wet yung babae.
Okay, she said she like wet. That's okay, that's cool. It's your girlfriend suck your
Oo, minsan.
sometimes.
Pinaamin ko.
So your girlfriend is 9 months old pregnant na, right? She's 9 months now.
Mas malibog kaya buntis.
Ha? Ewan ko, kahit nung hindi naman buntis, malibang.
Kaso minsan, hindi nila magagawa yung gusto nilang gawin kasi nga, malaki na yung tiyan nila.
Really? She
Kaya-
said sometimes the pregnant girl can't do what they want to do because
Minsan
they
sinasabi,
got big stomach na.
minsan sinasabi na nga lang ng asawa ko, pag lumabas yung baby na to, yari ka, talagang 24 hours talaga tayo. Kasi namimiss niya ako eh. Sabi ko nga eh, pagka ginawa mo yun, lubog na talaga yung dito ko. Sabi ko,
Ay, naku, day. Diyos ko, day.
sabi ko lalabas nga mga ugat ko pagka ganun ko siya eh. Tapos sabi ko, syempre, miss na miss niya ako, 24
Yeah,
hours.
you
yun.
know what? They said in having labor, it's good.
Yes. Bago yung mga anak. Kaya nga uwi ako eh.
She
Kasi
said that's
malapit
why
na eh.
that's why she's going home to his girlfriend house because she's going to have her while doing labor kasi it's too soon. Mamula na kalimugan ng mga
Tuntua ka, no? Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag mo ako kakausapin eh. Marami kang malalaman.
Diyos ko, nagsama mga mukhang punay. Oh my God, Cassie. So, when the last time did someone lick your
Yung jawa ko.
So, her girlfriend is licking her So, how do you clean your butt?
Ugas ako, syempre.
Do you use feminine wash?
Hindi. Sabon
No?
lang.
That's weird.
Siyempre, hindi naman ako nagpapa, ano eh.
No.
Tsaka hindi ako
She said she don't use feminine wash. She just using bath soap. Sabon lang, panligo.
Safeguard.
Safeguard soap.
O, ini-endorse ko yung safeguard.
Why?
Mas feel ko kasi yung mga sabon kaysa sa mga yung
Feminine
ipapatak mo
wash?
pa yung ganyan. O, ayun.
You don't like it because when she lick your tastes good.
Mabango naman yung akin, no?
Tama ba nga? She said it smells good. Oh my God.
Malinis naman ako sa katawan, syempre.
Oh, okay.
Kaya
That's
nga,
good.
Marte kayo yung jowa ko, kaya hindi niya.
She said their girlfriend is smarte. I don't know what smarte, Tagalog, picky, whatever. Choosy. When you were working in that lesbian, do you get hygiene?
Hindi. Hindi ko pa
You never try to do pap smear?
Hindi.
Really?
Kasi hindi naman din ako nagpapalabas ng araw-araw dyan.
How much do they pay you? How much the guys pay you? This girl pay you?
Minsan, kapag kinuha ka dito sa trabaho
Walking
namin.
straight, yeah.
Hindi man walking straight. Sabi ko.
Okay. Bagong daan.
Pagka kinuha ka doon sa video ko yan, 1.8.
So,
Ay,
they only
sa
pay you
2,000.
1,800 peso.
Oo.
And how much do you get in that?
Half? 900 yun.
900 peso?
Pero mas maganda kasi,
Sa labas mo na lang sila.
Oo.
Yeah, she said it's better to do freelance than working in that. Do you shave your vagina
hindi, inano ko lang.
trim?
Kasi
Patingin?
nasasaktan kasi ako pagka, trinay ko yun. Ang sakit, ang kate.
She said she never shaved just trim. I'm just asking if can I see
No!
it.
Only my girlfriend can see this.
So, just trim.
Oo, trim lang. Yung ginugupit ko lang pag mahaba.
What about your underarm?
Ano?
Do you pluck it?
Ganun.
Wala pa it's hairy. Yeah, it's look like
Parang boy.
yeah, it's look like a man. It's too hairy. She said. You never pluck it.
Nagaganon ako, pero hindi ko na inuulit.
Why it's curly?
Ano? Curly.
Mm.
Ano, ewan ko.
Why it's curly hair?
Tinubuan lang talaga ako ng ganyan. Yung parang maan talaga. Marami talaga siya.
Oh, she said she don't know why her
Pero hindi naman ako nagpaano.
why she got that lot of hair on her underarm. But I wonder why it's curly. What's about in your private part? It's curly hair too?
No. Straight.
Straight? Kagago, she said it's not curly. Kagago. Ano? Okay. What else do you want to share with them?
Huh?
What else?
Wala. Paano mo share?
You don't wanna get you don't want to get married?
Gusto ko.
She said she want
Pero
to
sa
get
babae.
married to a woman.
Sa babae. Gusto ko sa babae.
Yeah, she want to get married to a woman, not
Tapos
to
may
the man,
baby kami,
and
ganun.
to have a baby. How can you get baby if no one get pregnant by?
Yun nga. Kung sakali mang tumagal kami ng jowa ko ngayon. Yun ang papakasarang ko.
She's going to marry. She's wishing that.
Tapos pagka lumaki na yung bata, syempre, doon na ako makapag-isip na siya yung pakasarang ko.
Yeah, she just if the girl won't leave her.
Pero kung hindi.
Do you think that your girlfriend won't leave you?
Marami ng beses sa akin, di ba, nangyari yun.
Yeah.
Nabuntis.
She said it's happened to her a lot that the girl leave her after having a baby.
Come out the baby. Pero okay lang.
She said it's okay.
Kasi part yun ng buhay. Kasi
That's
tomboy
part
ako
of your life and she's lesbian and she accept that.
Oo.
But it's hard for you, right?
Oo, it's hard but you need to accept.
Okay, that's
Kasi,
mindset
yun lang
ba?
gagawin.
Mindset.
Doon lang yung gagawin mo.
So, when you going to visit your girl?
Actually, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Oo, kasi
Plok-plok na des.
hindi, nakaka-feel na raw siya na baka mga ko siya.
She's going back to
Masakit na daw
her
tiyan niya ngayon.
girlfriend place tomorrow because the girlfriend is feeling like she's going to have birth soon because she feel the pain. Yeah, good luck. And what's that? A baby girl or a baby boy?
Baby girl.
They're having a baby boy?
Girl.
They're having a baby girl.